has no thermal paste at all. What is this? How is this even running? Now it's clean. This is pure alcohol. Evaporates instantly. It didn't have any thermal paste. This is the first time this has been opened for years. Maybe it has only been it has been since the beginning of this card, so that might cause the thermal paste thing. MX4. Only 40 degrees, that's already 15 degrees lower than previously. I have never seen a graphics card that doesn't have any thermal paste on it. That's like a 30 degrees improvement. It's only 56 now, 58, and it was already 80 degrees. Let's see where it goes. This is completely stock now. $65. Anyway, it really improved the temperatures. It had completely dried out. The card was absolutely without thermal paste after about it has been more than 6 years or something. So if your card is this old, you should really change the thermal paste if it hasn't been changed yet. It's so quiet now, only about 1200 RPM on the fan and still under 70 degrees. That's how it should work. I wonder what kind of peak temperatures I would see now. Maybe it stays below the 70 degrees. So yes, this was a very good thing to do and only took about 5 minutes. Let's see what kind of temps would we see after this benchmark. Maybe it stays below the 70 degrees because the fan speed is so slow, it can really improve the cooling performance of the heatsink. It really doesn't have any kind of noise at the moment, absolutely silent. Amazing. And it will be at 65 degrees at full load. 66. And this 3D Mark is really fully loading the graphics card, so it doesn't get much hotter than this on any game. And it's only under 1000 RPM. Maybe it goes a little bit higher, but that's still very quiet. So this was it. Thanks for watching.